time, let's talk about the national capital as far as when it comes to this incident that has now been reported, a horrifying incident where a Delhi police van that has rammed into a pedestrian. That's this PCR van that runs over a pedestrian, and this accident that has been reported at RK Ashram. Now, the policeman accidentally hit the accelerator and the pedestrian unfortunately died on the spot. There is a police probe that is now underway as this victim's body has now been sent for postmortem, and the police now say in its investigation that the CCTV footage is now being scanned. This is a road accident, Priyank. Now, this has happened on part of the police itself. A PCR van of the Delhi police ramming into a pedestrian, unfortunately taking away his life.
Yes, Satyamita, an unfortunate accident where the one person has died certainly has been taken up very seriously by the higher rank of the Delhi police. That's why action is being taken against these two policemen. And what we are getting to know that both the Delhi police personnel have been suspended. One ASI and one constable has been suspended. And there will be an FIR against them in few hours from now. What sources have been suggesting that their medical legal tests will also be conducted. But source-based information is coming that no alcohol has been found in the initial investigation. But since it's a matter which pertains to life and death of an innocent citizen by the police vehicle, that's why serious action is being taken against these two police persons who were there inside this police van, which rammed inside an area which led to death of one tea stall.
So, RK Ashram, we are looking at where this incident that has been reported. The police are said to be on the spot gathering information. CCTV footage is also being scanned, and action has also been initiated on those who were in the PCR van where this accident was reported. Let's listen into the police's version.
जो भी इंसिडेंट हुआ ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और पुलिस इसमें एज पर जो लॉ है उसके हिसाब से हम कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं और जो मृतक है उसके परिवारजन को जो भी हमारे से बेस्ट मदद करने की कोशिश करेंगे और जो भी उसको कंपनसेशन मिलना है एज पर रूल वो मिलेगा। वो देखो अभी पूरा उसमें सीसीटीवी वगैरह चेक कर रहे हैं और वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन का विषय है, तो जैसे ही उसके अंदर फर्दर डेवलपमेंट होगी आप देखो उसकी भी हम जांच करेंगे। वैसे फिलहाल उसको यहाँ से हटा दिया गया।
Well, unfortunate incident being reported in the national capital.